Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious breakfast potatoes. Begin by selecting about 2 pounds of firm, unblemished russet or Yukon Gold potatoes. Give them a good scrub under cool, running water, ensuring all dirt is removed from their skins. Then, carefully cut each potato into even 1/2-inch cubes. This ensures they cook uniformly and achieve that perfect crispy exterior. We want every piece to be golden and tender, not some overcooked and others still hard. Now, let's get those potatoes seasoned for maximum flavor. Toss your freshly cut cubes with a generous amount of salt, about 1 teaspoon, along with 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a full teaspoon of smoked paprika for a lovely color and taste. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or butter if you prefer, in a large, heavy-bottomed skillet over a comfortable medium-high heat. Add the seasoned potatoes to the pan, spreading them out into a single, even layer for optimal browning. The secret to truly crispy breakfast potatoes is patience and proper heat management. Let them cook undisturbed for about 5 to 7 minutes initially, allowing a beautiful golden brown crust to form on one side. After that, give them a good stir, tossing them to expose new surfaces to the heat. Continue cooking for another 10 to 15 minutes, stirring every few minutes, until all sides are wonderfully golden and the potatoes are fork tender. Keep the heat around medium, adjusting it down slightly if they start browning too quickly. To elevate your breakfast potatoes even further, consider adding some aromatic vegetables. When the potatoes are nearly done, push them to one side and add 1/2 of a finely diced onion and 1/2 of a diced bell pepper to the empty space in the skillet. Sauté these vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring them occasionally until they become tender and slightly caramelized. In the very last minutes of cooking, stir in a tablespoon of fresh, chopped rosemary or thyme for an incredible herbaceous finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.